Okay, let's see this structure of this formula. Here we wrote the formula correctly. But when we go to the next row, see what has happened. The table has shifted one down. Why it is happened? Because we didn't fix the values here. See, when we set the table L1 to L61, we have not fixed. So the moment we drag, it will become L2 to L62, L3 to L62. So here you see L3 to L63, L4 to L64. So till now here you did not observe any error because this one 10,001 was here, 10,005 was here, 10,010, 11. It was easily coming in this bucket. But the moment I write 513, what has happened? This is searching from here. 513 is here. It has not searched. Right? So what is the correct solution to this? The correct solution will be to fix the table. See this? I fix the table and I press enter. Now I drag it and I get the answer. Right? So if you click here, see, because the table has been fixed, it will not change. Right? So whenever you have this type of requirement, when you are doing this VLOOKUP, please ensure two things. The lookup value has to be the first value. The lookup value has to be the first value in the table. Then from there you can count the column. If you have to find multiple values, make sure that you fix the table range. Otherwise it will not give you the correct answer.